Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm walking you around the Porsche 911 Carrera and the audio system that we've upgraded it with. The customer already came into us with the factory upgrade from Porsche, however was disappointed with the Bose system in comparison. So what we've done is kept that original Porsche new unit and also upgraded the sound system. We've replaced the Bose system with a 3-way Mille Pro audio upgrade in the front, plus an awesome 4-channel SR amplifier. And we're walking around through the full system. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with future videos. But in this video, we're talking about this absolutely stunning Porsche Carrera. So in terms of the system that we've got is a 3-way front end. So it's the Hertz Mille Pro. We've got a tweeter, a 3-inch mid, which sits up on top of the dash behind factory grills, as well as the fact we've got a 6.5-inch woofer in the door. That's actually gone into the all original locations for the speakers, and also we've done an immense amount of soundproofing work gone into these door cards. Basically, when the door cards come apart, what happens is those door cards come off and then we do a 3-layer and 3-tiered soundproofing system. Basically, it's using a product called Skin Soundproofing, which is a 3mm layer. Basically gets applied to your outer door card, so inside here, then you've got the central layer where actually the speaker is mounted to. Plus we've done the housing that the Bose speaker was originally in, and now the Hertz Mille Pro 6.5-inch woofer is in there as well. Plus we've done the back of the door card. So immense amount of time and work goes into soundproofing. It does 3 key main things. What they are is reducing rattles and resonation that you get from factory door cards, as well as the factory reduced road noise. But the main thing, obviously, with a new audio system, it gives the chance of these new audio systems to perform so much better. It gives a better acoustic environment for your new sound system to work in. So that's the amount of work that's gone into the doors. Again, we've spent a load of time working on those doors, plus also getting everything in behind factory location. So we've got the tweeters and mid-ranges up in the top here, right on top of the dash. Really nice, it brings that sort of tone and clarity right up top, gives you a really nice sound stage. Obviously with the Bose system, you had the sub and you had the rear speakers. They've actually been removed, so we've disconnected them and we've just got the front end. It makes such a nice difference to the clarity. This customer was not after adding any more bass and actually wanted to remove the bass because it was taking away from the clarity they were getting. So that's the reason why I've disconnected that on this occasion. However, we do loads of different systems and we go through all of that with you. So depending on what you're after, and that's all the reason why we have the audio consultation. It gives me the ability to be able to sit down with you, sit down and go through everything step by step, so then we can spec, design and then install your new sound system. So that's basically the audio system in essence. And then we've got is replacement of the Bose amplifier. It's been completely removed. We're using low level input going into the Audison SR 4-channel amplifier, which is mounted in the original location from the Bose amplifier. Plus we've got the crossovers down in there as well. So we do loads of different systems for these cars. If you're looking for the head unit upgrade or also the sound system upgrade, you know exactly what to do. We'll drop all our links below. But the best thing you guys can do to see future videos, get different ideas on systems for your Porsche, is hit that subscribe button below. Other than that, guys, we look forward to seeing you soon.